We're going to talk about safe prompt writing. We're going to take 5 tips to do when writing a prompt for Claude or any cowork. ChatGPT recently launched their cowork mode as well. Any AI that's going to take some decisions that might harm you. Number 1, wait for my approval. This is a very important thing to include in your prompt. Do not let the AI just keep working. Just divide your project or your task that you want to do into, let's say, 5 mini tasks or subtasks or 10 steps, whatever, and then tell Claude, wait for my approval, or tell your AI whatever it is. For example, instead of saying do this task, I will say do this task in 3 steps. After each step, wait for my approval before proceeding to next step. This is a way to do it. Also, for example, if I am giving access to my email, okay, and I'm supposed to do outreach emails, I do not say just send 20 emails or reply to whatever emails. No, I say draft only email and do not send, wait for my approval, for example, until you get results consistent as you see that it's safe. So maybe after a month of trying different drafts and seeing how they respond, you may be able to trust this employee, which is the AI here. Number 3, instead of just saying, look at this document, take this action, or look at this website and fix blah, blah, blah. No, I will say, look at this document or a product or app or website, whatever. Give me full assessment first with pros and cons. This thing is meant to do such and such. I want assessment first. So do not, again, just take action immediately, go fix this website, go fix this page. No, give me assessment first, okay? So you are making AI here to stop, not just keep working without your consent. So this is guard number 1, wait for my approval. Guard number 2, stop before edit, delete, or any crucial decision. So you can include this statement in your prompt as well. Stop before edit, delete, or any crucial decision, because it may take bad actions without you noticing, and you might notice later on even that it deleted a very important part of the code that you wrote or whatever kind of thing you're working on. So you can tell it stop and flag it for me and ask me about my opinion, how to proceed. Guard number 3, do not touch these. Let's say you are working on a website. This website has add to cart feature, has payment feature, whatever. So, and you built it already and it's working, and you want some edits not related to payments. Claude or whatever AI you're using can just go and review the entire code and say, oh, I found these problems 1, 2, 3, and then it goes and plays with your payments and plays with the add to cart feature or other features that were already working. So when you know that something was really working, everything is fine, put something called in scope and out of scope. So this is the out of scope part. Tell Claude, ChatGPT, whatever it is, do not touch these. If you know your payment gateway is working and fine, say do not touch the payment gateway. Add to cart is working, do not touch add to cart. Inventory is correct, do not touch inventory. And you can have this solid fixed list always as an always prompt. It's not just one prompt and that's it. You say in every single thing, refer to the in scope, out of scope, let's say markdown file or whatever. We're not gonna work in those areas at all. This is the in scope we are working on, let's say improving the buttons, how it looks like and so on. Guard number 4, read. Bismillah, أبوس إيدك, read. بالله عليك, read. When you have the AI answer for you a very long answer, you don't just read, you approve without reading, you will pay the price. You have to read. Whether you told your AI, generate a prompt for me, and it generated for you 2-page prompt, you didn't read that, you just gave it to the other AI, go execute this prompt. Wrong. Or the AI told you, I have done such and such and such and such. You did not read as well. You say just proceed. Wrong. You have to read. You don't have to be super fast to finish for the client and then you have big problems. Take your time, read, read, read. And do not just, and it's not about, oh, telling other AI, just read what this AI did and review the other AI. No, there is a part where you personally have to read. And last, number 5, detailed prompting. The less detailed the prompt, the very bad results that you will get. For example, when you go say, clean up my inbox, you might find AI deleting very essential things in your inbox, but instead, I will write it in details. I will say, you are helping me clean up my inbox. Do not delete, archive, or move anything permanently. Instead, scan and categorize. Label. Put labels of, so this, there is action needing, waited on, that is uncertain. So if the AI doesn't know exactly if this is going to be important or no, put labels on it. Move, do not delete. So here I told the AI to make a folder first, not a trash can. Folder where you are going to move things, not to just immediately delete, right? And then for every email flag, blah, 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 produce a summary list. Do not permanently delete anything. When in doubt, default to uncertain. This is 5 tips for safe prompting. Hopefully that is good for you all.